How's it going, guys? It has been a few weeks since I uploaded, mainly because I've actually been moving to a new house, but the Z is currently where it has been for a while, and it's going to stay here for a little bit. But this week, guys, I got a really cool package in the mail. It is that big box right there, and this big box right here, and we love big boxes. As you can see, these ones are Japanese. So these should be the front bumper and hood for our Z. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing video and see how these came out. These were imported by Night Premium Imports. It took, I want to say it was a couple months to get here, but I'm really excited to see how this turned out. I've seen a couple people on the Facebook groups get theirs already, and they look to be really high quality. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Alright guys, well I do apologize for the wind. It is getting a bit windy right now, but you can see we got it open. And first off, it looks really good. So this is a two-piece bumper. This is the lower lip right here, and then this is the upper part. They are taped together, so I'm going to go ahead and split those. But just initial looks, you know, there's some really nice gasking around these edges. Looks really nice. There's an actual label here on the... This is like a fiberglass reinforced plastic, so it's not quite a fiberglass bumper, but it's plastic-y, but it's really nice either way. But they put their logo in. That's super cool, so you know it's a genuine piece. It looks like we'll probably have to drill some mounting holes for the turn signals. Not too big of an issue. And then it does come with grates in these brake ducts here. So I was going to paint those black, so we'll go ahead and see. Obviously this whole thing is going to have to be painted, but it is looking really good overall. I'm going to go ahead and split these two apart, and we'll flip them over and see how well they fit and how well it looks. Alright guys, well I split these apart, and just right off the bat, the quality looks really good. I know it might be a little bit harder to see on camera, but all the lines, even though just the slight little bend right there, it's all super clean and crisp. Looks exactly like it would have come from the factory. It looks really good. You can see this specific bumper has a really nice large spot for an intercooler / air intake, and then the two brake ducts on the side. Looks really neat. This goes underneath the secondary lip. So I'm gonna go ahead, adjust this piping back on here real quick, and then set this top piece on top of the bottom piece, and we'll see how this looks. Alright, well because of how everything is angled and it's on flat ground right now, it doesn't really want to sit on itself, so I can't kind of hold it up for you guys. But it looks really good. I'll go and put a picture up right now of what the completed version typically looks like, just on their website. And that is the look exactly what I'm going for, and that is why I bought this kit. It is a little pricey. I think the shipping was almost as much as the piece itself, if not a little bit more. But overall, this is exactly the look I'm going for, and I'm super happy with it. So let's go ahead, grab that big box over there, and take the hood out and look at it. Alright guys, well you can see I got the hood out. This is the top side currently. It is black color, and I got the cowled hood. So if you can see, there's a vent right there. Looks really cool. Obviously I don't know about the fitment of any of this yet. I think next week we'll go ahead and put it on the car if I can and see how all this looks. But just the initial look of it, the quality looks really good. The attention to detail, I'll show you the underside here in just a little bit. It is really nice. I'm super happy with how these are looking so far, and hopefully it looks just as good on the car as I'm hoping. But yeah, let me go ahead and flip this over and we'll look at the underside real quick. Alright, here's the bottom. We got a little bit of venting right here towards the, this is the windshield area. And then, I don't know if you can see, that is the cowl coming off the hood right there, up at the very front. It's got the logo again, looks really cool. We got a bunch of inserts for our hinges and everything. That is really nice. I'm really glad that these are here. Gonna make everything really nice and easy to bolt in. No issues. And overall, it just looks really good, guys. I believe you can get these in carbon fiber as well. This is just the standard, the cheapest, I don't know, fiber or glass reinforced plastic. But overall, this looks really nice. We got the hinge little latch right there. Some little things for the popper right there. This is looking really good. Like I said, guys, I hope next week we can go ahead and put this on the car. Yeah, you can see the vents a little bit better right there and over there. They're going to help suck air out of the radiator. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this on next week, guys. Hopefully we can get to the fenders and everything on so we can see how fitment looks. But overall, I'm very happy. This looks really cool. There's a bunch of zip ties over here, it looks like. I think these are for the washers. So that's a very nice small detail that they added those in already for us. Very convenient. Yeah, guys, if you want to check this out, you can go to Night Premium Imports. They can go ahead and get these for you. I think you have to contact them for a shipping quote. I don't remember. It was quite a while ago that I ordered this. But definitely check them out, guys. This is probably the best aftermarket company currently offering things for the Z31. That's why I bought them. There's JP Fiberglass, but the reports have been that it fits pretty bad. So I've been staying away from buying any of their kits. But these are from Japan. I wish I could remember what company the name was. But yeah, everybody who's gotten them on Facebook, they're super happy with them. Just looking at these right off the bat, I'm super happy with them. They look really, really well done. So I'm super, super excited to get these on the car, see how they look, and then hopefully here in the next couple months, we can get the whole car back together, and then I want to get it painted and then tuned with the new turbo setup that we have going in it. So fingers crossed that all that starts coming in together. I think the exhaust is all I'm waiting for now. So fingers crossed that that is done here soon, and we can make some good progress. I have another special announcement at the very end here, guys, but as always, thank you, I appreciate it, and I will see you guys next week when hopefully we put all this together on the Z. Alright guys, well, if you stuck around for this long, you get a little sneak peek. Pardon the mess in here, but I just moved into a new house, so things are still a little bit crazy, but I wanted to show you guys these really, really cool mounts. If you saw my video about these, the transmission mount group buy, this is what you're going to get if you ordered one. This is what you're going to get, the full kit here. It comes with new polyurethane bushings. Everything looks really, really cool. And these are the actual mounts themselves. Guys, almost 35 people signed up for this group buy. Absolutely amazing. Obviously, that's a lot of orders to fill now, so I'm working around the clock manufacturing all these poly castings in order to get all of these out, but I wanted to show you guys how cool these came out. I'm absolutely in love with them. I'm really, really glad we were able to do this because this is just a really, really cool mount, and this just looks really, really nice. So there you go, guys. That's the sneak peek for you. Hopefully you grabbed one of these when you had the chance. If not, I do have a few extras if you're interested in. I can put you on a wait list to see if there are any extras that pop up. But other than that, guys, I will see you guys next time, and I hope you have a great week.